Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put a print button on a report in Microsoft Access. This is a really practical feature that gives your users quick access to printing functionality without navigating through multiple menus, making your database more user-friendly and efficient. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and load into your database. Give it a moment to fully load all your data and tables. You'll need everything properly loaded before we can begin setting up the print button functionality. Once the software has loaded along with your data, we'll begin the process of putting a print button on your report in Microsoft Access. First, open an initial database table that you want to work with. Once the table is open, click on the Create tab located on the top part of your screen where all your tools are located. This tab contains all the options for creating new database objects. From the Create tab, click on Form. This will generate a new form based on your table data. Now, once your form is created, you'll need to add in a button that would process a print function. To do this, add the button to your form where you'd like it positioned. Once the button is added, right-click anywhere on your form and head to Design View. Design View is where you'll have full control over the form's layout and properties. Under the Design View, right-click on the top left edge of your form, then click on Form Properties. This opens up the property sheet where you can customize the action for the added print button. The property sheet is your control center for defining what this button will actually do. Now, under the property sheet, click on the Event tab. From here, you'll see various event properties that determine how elements on your form respond to user actions. Look for the onClick property, as this is what will trigger when someone presses your print button. To add the print function, click on the three-dot icon next to the onClick property. This will open a Visual Basic tab where you can insert custom code. Now you'll insert the print function code on the Visual Basic Code form. You can pause the video here to copy or replicate the code accurately, making sure every line is entered correctly. This code is what tells Access to execute the print command when the button is clicked. Once the code is added, simply save the Visual Basic code embedded to your button. You can also save your form as well to retain the print function for future use. And that's it. You've successfully added a print button to your Microsoft Access form that users can click to print reports quickly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.